Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk and today I'm going to be talking about superior rectus muscle injury treatment. Now, it's important that you should know that you may be entitled to free private medical treatment for an injured superior rectus muscle injury from specialists local to your area. Also, if needed, you could receive guidance and advice from one of our panel of private specialists who might suggest use a specific treatment method or medication to allow your injuries to heal quicker. Superior rectus muscle injuries may differ. Now, as no two injuries are the same, speaking to a private specialist without having to worry about any hefty medical fees could make all the difference in terms of your recovery. Now, if you've had an accident that was not your fault, you could qualify for free superior rectus muscle injury treatment from a specialist in your local area. Contact us to find out if you're eligible for free private treatment from a superior rectus muscle specialist. That may also include physio treatment if needed by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. We're also going to be going over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with an injury involving your superior rectus muscle. If you have any questions or requests, to let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've sustained a superior rectus muscle injury following an accident or incident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with superior rectus muscle injury compensation claims. Now, the good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free, zero obligation consultation. We will talk through your injury with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can contact us by calling our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 or by visiting our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. Now, the superior rectus muscle is a facial muscle located in the eye which elevates, abducts, and rotates medially the eye. If one or more of your superior rectus muscles have become damaged or injured in an accident, we strongly recommend that you speak to a medical professional as soon as possible, as they'll be able to arrange for electrophysiological testing and imaging in order for them to see the extent of the damage. If your injury occurred as part of a severe head trauma, the NHS recommends that you visit A&E or call 999. They will assess you and administer appropriate treatment. There are a number of steps recommended by the NHS that following a head injury, you could have someone stay with you for the first 24 hours and keep a phone to hand in case any problems arise and you need medical help. Get plenty of rest and avoid stressful situations. Avoid drinking alcohol or taking illegal drugs. Avoid taking sleeping pills, sedatives or tranquilizers unless prescribed by your doctor. Take paracetamol if you have a headache, but avoid non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, such as ibuprofen or aspirin unless prescribed by a doctor. Avoid playing contact sports such as football or rugby for at least 3 weeks, and speak to your doctor before starting to play these sports again. Do not return to work or school until you have completely recovered and feel well enough to do so. Do not drive a car or motorbike, ride a bicycle or operate machinery until you have completely recovered and it's safe and legal to do so. But you should seek immediate medical attention if you develop any further symptoms of a severe head injury whilst recovering at home. So if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a superior rectus muscle injury and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, we will be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. If we take your case on, we will be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist in order to further aid recovery and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way should you require any further treatment to help your recovery. They'll be able to go over eye muscle injuries and eye muscle movements. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, And whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claim specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no win, no fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.